Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could enable two-step verification for your YouTube channel for the maximum security. To do that, just open your browser and type YouTube. Next step, click on your YouTube channel picture. If you cannot see your channel, you will see sign in, so you can just select sign in instead. And the next step, click on YouTube Studio, scroll on the left panel and click on Earn. Scroll to the bottom and here you want to click Step Verification, click Turn On. Here you will be redirected to Google Security to turn on two-step verification for your account. This will help protect your account from being hacked or compromised once you have completed blah blah blah. Okay, so we'll just click Continue. The next step, click Continue and you will see your phone number. Just confirm it or just enter another phone number and click Send. You will receive an SMS in your phone. So we'll just click on it to view, and here I will enter that code which I have received. And click Next. You will see validating PIN. So here, second step, Google Prompt Default, voice or text message. You stay signed in. Okay, I will just click Turn On. And here it says turning on two-step verification. I will click here, close. Scroll to the bottom again, since we're back to YouTube. And as you can see, two-step verification is in green. Now it's been activated for my channel. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.